Alrighty, so I'm out here with the DLG again, and I've made some pretty major changes. You can see I've changed the entire horizontal stabilizer to a slightly larger stabilizer, higher aspect ratio with a much thinner, smaller elevator, so we should have much less twitchy control on the elevator. I've also enlarged the rudder significantly. You can see, I mean, it's huge, so if it doesn't turn now, I don't know what I'll do. I've also painted most of the airframe with thinned, kind of like a dope, like white glue with some other chemicals in it to make it a little waterproof, because it's a pretty wet day out today. And I've also added some ballast. The weight has been brought from 87 grams up to 102. And really, to be responsible, before I discus launch this, I ought to just give it a nice test glide. So I'll check my controls here, and man, I have a lot of rudder travel, so we'll see what happens. Okay, it's wanting to go right a little bit, so I'll trim the rudder out and we'll come back and give it a discus launch. Didn't mean to do that, but it does fly. I need a little more control on the elevator. I can't quite get a proper level out after I launch it.